Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Now I brought to you big topic, another topic for my beginners, for those that have started YouTube recently. This topic is for you. I prepared it for you because I know you will need it. And maybe if you have started YouTube last year too, you are a beginner too. So all of us are beginner. So this video is for you. I came to tell you what you should do so that YouTube will be recommending your video. You understand? This YouTube, there's some strategies that you will put on this YouTube so that you'll be recommendable. All right? Yes. For YouTube to start recommending your video, your main goal is to prove to the algorithm that viewers love your content. You understand? Just post and prove to the algorithm that viewers love your content. You know, when for you proving to algorithm that viewers love your content is when people are responding to your content. Maybe when you post your content out, they will come and engage with you. That is number one proof to algorithm that viewers likes your content. You understand? So YouTube promotes video that get people to click, watch and stay on the platform. YouTube doesn't promote anyhow video. YouTube promotes video where there is engagement. Understand? That algorithm is you and me. When you come and engage, like as I'm making this video now, you come and engage with me. At least algorithm will see that there's enough engagement to push this content out. People are watching it, people are liking it. You understand? This is how YouTube recommend your video. So try to do quality content. If you're a new biz here on YouTube, don't just create random content, okay? Try to create valuables, bring quality to the table. You see how YouTube will be pushing your video out. All right? So number one steps that will make YouTube to recommend your video is make people click, boost your CTR. The meaning of CTR is click-through rate. You will boost it by your thumbnail. You use bold text. As I fondly said, use bold text. Don't use small text that people barely see or people can hardly read what you've written on your thumbnail. So use bold text, okay? It will help. And again, your facial expression. You understand? When you're making your thumbnail, you can decide to do like this. You can decide to do, you know, all those shaded inside thumbnail. If you watch my channel, I don't do those. All of us, we are beginners too. You understand? I have not started doing that eye-catching thumbnail that you do like this, book in this hand, the other one in, you know, that kind of a thing. That is what they are. Try your best to copy that. You understand? Some people might like it. Use eye-catching color when you're creating your thumbnail. Use color, eye-catching color that pops, not a dark color. Don't use a dark color. You know, for example, you can't go wrong with black. I love black background. It's very, very good. Anything that you put on black background, it will come out very well. So use eye-catching thumbnail. The second one is title. Create curiosity when you're creating your title. Make it in a way that people will be eager to come and watch what you're talking about. You understand? Bring your, as in, imaginary, as in, create, when you're typing that your title, make people have imagination through their mind, what you want to see. And they will be curious to come and click and see what did you say in that video. You understand? That is what they meant by create curiosity. Or clearly communicate. You can write what your video is all about. You can put it on a normal title. You understand? These two things, it works for you. So the second one is make people stay. Now I'm going to tell you how you can make people stay. You know, it's not everybody that click your content that stays. You understand? So there's one way to click. There's another way for you to return, for them to stay and watch your video to the end. All right, just stick with me. Let me use this opportunity. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell. Okay, whenever I post a video, you will receive notification. All right, you know, this algorithm they are talking about is me and you. At least when you receive a notification, you come and view and drop your comments. That is when YouTube will start recommending my video. Before you know it, God help me, I may go viral. So please just click and subscribe. All right, just stick with me, we are going to some. So guys, I was talking about the way you can make people stay on your channel. The other one is for you to create a catchy thumbnail that will attract people, and your catchy title that will bring people, that will bring curiosity for people to click. Then another one is when they come to your channel, how can they be able to stay? This is what I'm about to explain to you. Because the more they stay and watch your video, that is when your watch hour increases. I don't know if you don't know, get it now. Longer they watch, longer the watch hour becomes, all right, on your channel. So hook viewers in the first 10 to 15 seconds. You understand? Do whatever you would do to hook them to your video. You understand? Tell them exactly what your video is all about. That is the intro. You understand? Just hook them, tell them what they will see on your video, you know, what they will see, what they will experience, you know. Just tell them. You understand? Fast pace, avoid fluffing. Please don't blab, just go straight to the point. You know, nobody wants to waste time. All right, just make anything that you want to make on your video for your viewers to stay, because that your viewers is your recommendation. You understand? That your viewers is the algorithm that they're talking about too. Without that, your viewers on your channel, YouTube will not recommend your video. You understand? So you must make your viewers to stay, and you must make a content that will drive them to put a comment on the comment section. You understand? So when they see that the comment is flowing, the engagement is on your comment section, then the YouTube will carry your video out to start recommending it. You understand? Don't blabber. Don't, for your 10 to 15 minutes, don't go and be fluff and be blabbing. Just go straight to the point. Tell them your intro, what they want to see in the video, what you prepare for them, so that it will even hook them. You understand? They'll be interested to watch it to the end. And again, you can use jump zooms. You can use a good caption. You can use zoom. You know, when you're making a video, all those aesthetic, you know, it will zoom, or it will zoom come up, it will zoom, you know, all those things. It catches viewers' attention too. You can use it on your video. So the third one is lead viewers to more of your content. While talking or while showing them, you can direct viewers to another content that looks like that one that you're doing, that they should go and check it out. You understand? Maybe there's something that you talked about or you showed. If you're into lifestyle, maybe there's something that you show, you refer them to one content that you have made. Maybe tell them to go and watch. That is the way to direct your viewers to your more content. Use end screen and cards to promote your video. Please, if you have not started using your cards or end screen, this thing is very vital on our channel. It's very, very good. Please start using your end screen. You understand? I have YouTube, maybe analytics, and see. Shebi, you will see the way they write end screen, YouTube, features, browse, all those things. You understand? So that is what they meant for you. They say you should use your end screen. At least it will even make your video to be recommendable outside. Then they talk, another one is create playlists. See, I have gone to people's channel, their playlist is not organized. They will put short and long form content together. Please, if you have short on your channel, create the playlist of that short different. If you have vlog, please make sure that you organize your playlist. You understand? Make sure that you organize your playlist so that people can, anyone that they want to, any playlist that they feel like watching, they watch, and it will give you watch hour, you know, because more playlists they watch, more watch hour. All right? Yes. Create playlist to group related videos, you know, all the whole videos that looks alike. You understand? Bring them together on one playlist. That is what you should do, so that it will not be hard for your audience or your subscribers to look for any topic they want to watch. Another one is mention other videos during the one they are watching. That is exactly, you can mention another video when they are watching that video. You can direct them to another video on your channel that you talked about that particular thing, that they should go and watch it. That is the way to advertise, to promote your video too. You understand? Just bring them back and tell them that after this one, this video, there is one I talked about. It will even go, please search through my channel and go and watch it. That's the way to do. Okay, guys. The fourth one is upload for a specific audience. Don't post random topics, please. That is why we keep on saying on your YouTube, please, niche, don't post random topic. Don't go and jump this marriage today, YouTube grow tomorrow, a vlog next tomorrow, finances, money matter the other one. Please, if you want all those things, create a channel, another channel separate. You're entitled to create as many channels as possible, as far as you can handle them. All right, so don't post random topics. Focus on one niche so YouTube will know who to recommend your videos to. Can you see it? Please focus on one niche. Don't do random niches on your channel. It will make algorithm not to know where your target audience is. Please, if you have not gotten a niche, find a niche. And the way you can find a niche is post a video. The ones that have big content, maybe people like to watch on your channel. Maybe if you're a new creator, you just started, you can post a content, maybe like about 3 contents. You understand? Maybe you just do one vlog, one anything, or maybe one talk, anyone that you can do. Just post about 3 niches and see the one that has the highest engagement. That is your niche. Please continue with that one that people like to watch on your channel. You understand? YouTube now is saying that have a niche so that they will know where they will push your video to. They will know your target audience and push your video to. All right, this is what they are saying. Your next video should appeal to the same people. You understand? Why they ask you to have a niche is that maybe one niche brought these people to your channel, and the other time, the other niche, you are now started doing another one. Those people that follow that your first niche will be bored. Some, they will even unsubscribe. So that is why they ask you stick to one niche, so that one, or you have one on the audience on your channel. Whenever you bring content, they can be able to watch. You can be able to have engagement. With engagement, YouTube will push your video. Your video will be recommendable. You understand? This is what they are saying. So your next video should appeal to the same people who liked your last one. Yes, don't go and do a video that your first video, your audience will like it so much. The second one, you will not see any engagement on your videos. Please let your video be one. You understand? Let your video be on one niche. Please. This is what they are saying. If you really want to go far in this YouTube, if you really want recommendation on your video, all right? Then number 5 is post consistently and improve each time. They say you should post consistently, and anytime that you post, that you at least you'll be able to improve. You understand? YouTube needs data to learn what works on your channel. You know, when you go to your channel now, all those analytics, you know, there's some people, their own have not opened. They will tell you the data. That is the video. When you post video regularly, YouTube will try to throw your video not enough data to know what works on your channel, where they will channel your content to. So post more videos to give YouTube more data. You understand? Yeah, this is what they're talking about. Second one is focus on improving. Each time that you made a video, make sure that you improve daily, day by day. You know, we learn as we go. So at least I believe the first day that I made a video, I am not like that. At least I have improved a little bit. You understand? So everybody have their, all these big YouTuber, when you go through their channel, you will see when they started. So you must be improving day by day. All right? So another one, improve on your intro, both your intro, visuals, and all this one. So the next one is use analytics. Use the analytics to watch your click-through rate and your. I don't need to explain all these things. We all know all these ones because we're a content creator, right? You're a content creator. You're supposed to know what is click-through rate and your view duration. So audience retention is involved too. You understand? So use your analytics to see your click-through rate, to see your views duration, to see your audience retention. You understand? This tell you where people drops off. You understand? Maybe if you are the type that is making long video, if you use that one, those click-through rate and all those on your analytics, you will see whether your audience really love that video or where they drop off, so that in your next video you will readjust. Okay. All right, we have come to the end of this segment. You can see new YouTuber. Please, if you are an upcoming creator, if you really want algorithm to locate your channel or for YouTube to recommend your video, please try to bring quality content. One, make your thumbnail pop, your title top notch. Watch your click-through rate, check your analytics, and know what works for you. All right, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Right, I appreciate all those my engagers of my content. Please, I appreciate you all. Okay, till I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye.